Hello everyone. Today we will see how we can insert shapes in Excel. So let's start. To insert a shape, we have to go to insert, click on shapes. Here we can see different kinds of shapes. Okay. So let's take this rectangle shape. Okay, we got it. Now we can write anything on this shape. So click on it, then write this is student data. Okay, now we'll do some editing here. We have selected the whole thing. Go to home tab, click on bold, resize it, and from top, these are these three icon will say how you can align it vertically. So we have click on this, so we can put this on the middle, and this will show how you can text this align this text horizontally. So we are again selecting middle. This is how it is selected. Now uh, if we want, we can change the color of this background of this shape. Go to format, and listen, there are some options here. Shape fill, if you go there, you can select any color. Okay, or if you want, you can, if you don't want any color, then you can select no fill. Okay, if you select no fill, look, there is no nothing is showing here, and the font is even not there because the color of the font was white. Okay, so we are selecting this shape. Okay, then if we want to change the text, you can see text field, text outline, text. Okay, I'm complete first of all, I'm finishing this shape outline. This will if we change the border of this shape, for example, take this black. Okay, and you can give a weight a little bit thicker. We are using this. You can see a black border is appeared here. Okay, when if you click outside, if you are not clicking the shape, you will not see the format option. Okay, when you will see, then you will see the format to edit this particular shape. Okay, and you can use different effects there. Okay, as you like, you can do it on your own. Okay, now we will do some editing on the fonts. Text fill. Currently the text is white. We are selecting black. This is student data. You can select any color. Then if you want, you can select no color. Okay. If you know select no color, then the text will be disappear. You can also do some textures. Different. You can even add any picture on this. Okay. Shape outline. You can give a shape. Maybe if I just look on the font, if we give an outline, then a black font will show an outline of red. Okay, so that is all. Now we can um, include another shape here. For example, this shape, we have selected this, and we have we are dragging from here to here to say that this is our student data. Okay, I have selected that and click that, and not removing my finger from my mouse, I've dragged that, so it has been created. Now I can select this and do some proper format, for example, shape, because there is no text in this shape, so all the text options are not available here. We can do text outline. We can make this weight a little bit thicker. Okay, so this is how we can create a shape. That's all for today, and thank you very much.